Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Ellarie here, of course. I know this is a weird way to start off a empty house tour, but I have two quick little PSAs that I have to get out of the way. So please just give me 30 seconds of your time. I promise I won't be long. First PSA, I had to film this video really quickly. You guys may not even notice it, but just for my own conscience, I just have to tell you guys, please pay no attention to my wig that is going to be hanging off my head, slanted to the side. I literally had just put it on in the car. I had a long day that day, and that was the only day I had time to really go through my house and film this for you guys, and you guys have been asking for it, so I wanted to make sure I got out of the way. So I had to do that one little quick PSA about my wig. Do not come for me, okay? It's crook. Blame my sister. Second PSA, I wanted to give a quick shout out to National Property Inspections. You guys might think that is weird, but with my house being a new build, I had no idea that so many things were gonna be needed to be fixed. And the home builders wanted me to actually use their inspector, but my mom was like, you should probably use your own because you're not going to point out everything, and I did not want to spend the money on it. But good customer service must be acknowledged. They were so thorough, and they found so many defects in my house that I was able to get handled before I moved in. So I just thought it would be nice to shout them out so that if you guys are into purchasing a home, this may be somebody I can refer you guys to. I will leave their info in the caption. I'm not getting paid to shout them out. I just want to acknowledge good customer service. My mom even made friends with the inspector. So I'm just telling them thank you via this video, which I'm about to get to right now. And I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, hi. How are you? Welcome to my crib. Come in, come in, come in. Don't mind the echo, ain't nothing up in here. Welcome to my first house. Yeah. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of the digs before they get decorated and it gets messy in here. This is the entrance. It has the living room, dining room, and the office space. Actually, come here first. This will be my office where I have like a computer desk, you know, I do important things, you know, with files and all that important, boring stuff. All these light fixtures in here, don't pay attention to them because they will be gone. So that will be changed. And so this one is going to be kind of like, I wasn't going to do a dining room, but nobody ever really eats in the dining room. So my mom and my sister thought to make this like a bar area, you know, a little bar station, tabletops. You know, play cards, maybe, you know, some adult stuff, you know, because I'm an adult. This is my living room. The TV probably sits somewhere up here. Thank you, It Cosmetics, for my first flowers, my first house flowers. They sent me these pretty pink roses. And this is a gas fireplace, I'm not going to turn it on. But I don't know what I'm doing over there. I really don't know what I'm doing anywhere here because I ain't never had this much space before, so I'm just have everyone else figure it out for me. And this is the view from the living room. I'll take you guys outside a little later. Just look at the windows, you know? These are what we call bay windows. Not bay, but bay. Now we're walking into, what is this spot called?
Dining room.
This is another dining room?
That's a living room, and this is a living room, dining room, dining room. It's a formal dining room and a regular dining room.
There you go. She knows because she got houses and stuff. But this is a informal dining room, which would probably be like a breakfast nook. I might just put a bench over here on a long table. I don't know. This is my kitchen where I will be cooking up all types of stuff. You know, obviously, I just be cooking.
She lying.
I want to practice cooking more. I've been inspired, you know, by my sister and her husband because they cook delicious food. So, yeah, got the double ovens. I don't know why you need two, but thought that was cool. Gotta get my refrigerator. Got the stove top over here. And even though I hated these, when I first saw this, these are outlets. I have no idea why, but they're plugs. They're just hard to open, so I'm not gonna open them. But yeah, then we're gonna walk over here. This is what homeowners call the what? Sitting room?
No.
The keeping room.
Yes.
Yeah. And I was like, why they got carpet here and the wood over there? Like, why? And allegedly it's because when you got kids and you be in the kitchen cooking, this is supposed to be like where your kids be at, like playing, watching TV while you in there on the carpet. Keeping room. That's some real adult stuff right there. And this is just a little nook. My mom and sister said I should just put a desk in here for Yoshi, so she don't even like doing homework, but we can hook that up for her over there. Now we're gonna walk out to the upstairs deck. Now we're gonna walk out to the upstairs deck. I'll probably put some furniture up here because it's covered. Check the top, it's covered, so we won't be getting rained on. Yeah, I said rained it. But actually, in a few months, not now, because I'm trying to get my quits right. But this is gonna. Not like them Georgia bugs, bruh. But we're gonna push this all the way. The deck is eventually gonna wrap around the side of the house, and you're gonna be able to go downstairs and stuff like that. But for now, this will do. You know, just where you come out here and chill, smoke some hookah or whatnot. Oh, but this is a good view of the backyard. You can show the backyard while we're up here. This is my yard. This house is like a little over an acre, so it's a lot of stuff that's gonna be put back there. Pool guys already set up. It's gonna be a nice little pool, nice little pavilion. Is that what you call a pavilion when it's covered and got a fire pit? One of them. And I'm also thinking about getting a tiny house for Yoshi and Fat. So it might look like Never Land back there by the time I'm done with it. You know what I'm saying? Because I got ideas. Come back in. It's a beautiful day outside. Wish I was moved in so I could sit up here. There's another room down here. Here's pantry, where ain't gonna be no food in because I don't know how to go grocery shopping, so I'm having mom come over.
I thought you were cooking.
You know what? You just not want me to be great. I am cooking. That's gonna be full of all types of pastas and seasonings like Ellaries and the green flakes. So you know. Anyways, this is a downstairs bathroom. Nothing to see here, so we're here. They get on the shitter. This is the first floor bedroom. It's dark in here because the window's closed, but it's just gonna be a guest room. Yeah, it's just gonna be a guest room. Closet over there is kind of small. Some wine around here. This is a coat closet. This is, what do you call this? A mud what?
A mud room.
Mud room. I just learned that word too, is where you take off your dirty shoes. And this is just my garage, where I have to put up my Tesla charger eventually, because I did get my Tesla back. Not my Tesla, but I got my car back. Well, I didn't get my car. Never mind. We're not even talking about cars. We're talking about the house. Come on now. All right, and I'll take you guys to the basement at the end. For now, let's go upstairs. I would say take your shoes off, but those shoes look nice. You know, who doesn't wear Uggs in the house, though? These stairs were actually supposed to be wood. Come closer, darling. These stairs were supposed to be wood, and they were gonna rip it up because it's supposed to be wood. But I was like, I'll be falling down the stairs sometimes, and then we got small kids, so carpet is probably better. So carpet it is. Over here, this is just a loft area. I've never understood spaces like this because I feel like it's just a waste of space. Nobody really be in these type of rooms, but my mom said to turn it into a little game area for Yoshi, like when she has friends over, even though she ain't got no friends right now. So yeah, we're gonna make it look nice and classy, like a classy play space. If that's possible. All right. Wait, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm out of breath from walking up the stairs. Breathe deeply. Action. This is one of the most important rooms of the house because this is where I work. You know, gotta pay the bills, gotta have a room to work in. So this will be my filming room, me and Yoshi's filming room. I've been cramped ever since I started doing this whole YouTube thing. So I need a lot of space so she can have her little station set up somewhere, my station set up somewhere. I can finally change my background. I know y'all tired of that ash black. But yeah, this is probably the first room I set up besides Yoshi's because gotta get to the money. Get to the money. Everybody mesh. I can dance on the live. Anyway, this is the closet. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here since it's not a bedroom, but I'll probably just put more makeup stuff in there because, you know, we be having a lot of makeup. Actually, we can go this way because it leads to the other room. Huh?
There you go.
This is the Jack and Jill bag. Oh, wait, have you been seeing my wig like this whole time?
I can't see nothing.
Girl, you are trying to have me caught slipping. My whole wig cap is showing.
Oh no, you didn't see that earlier.
Had to put my hood on because I was out here exposed in these streets. My cameraman didn't want to tell me my wig cap was showing.
I'm a woman.
All right now, this is Jack and Jill bathroom. It shares with this room, full bath and shower. Head this way. This is just another guest room. It has a pretty big closet, but I originally was gonna make this groceries room, but I just thought it was a little too small. Even though she kind of needs small spaces because she's messy, I decided to just make this one guest room, and her room is down here. It's a little bigger, and it has a private bathroom, so I thought this would be perfect for her. It has a bigger closet. She can see the backyard from here. So this will be her castle. She asked me if she could paint the whole room pink, and no, it's not gonna happen. But we're gonna make it nice and cute. You know, nice for chandelier. Have to feel like her little castle. Oh, that's what the name of my house is. Castle. You get it? Like castle with Castle.
No.
Cute? No, you don't like it?
I like it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So come this way to my castle. Closet. Nothing to see there. And this is the laundromat. Laundry room. Clearly no washer and dryer. That will be coming to a laundry room near you. And finally, well not finally, but the last room inside of the house is the master suite. Follow me. Oh wait, don't follow me yet. I gotta open the curtains. Wait, you gotta go back out. I got a pan. Alright. Oh, my hood came off. And now, the master suite. Yeah, the same windows you got downstairs. This is probably the biggest room I've ever had. I think my first apartment was probably the side of this room. And this is, what is this?
Sleeping,
Sitting
room.
This is the sitting room where you sit. I'm probably gonna put the couch I have down here because I like to sit on the couch and watch TV more than I like to sit in my bed. So I wanted a nice comfy couch up here, and I love my couch at home. I don't want to get rid of it. And the TV will probably be up here and swivel. It was suggested to get 2 TVs, but I just feel like it's a little excessive. But we'll see. We'll see. This is the bathroom. I wasn't crazy about this bathroom, but it's, you know, it's not too bad. I got the shower. I got my own towel closet in here, and the shitter's in there. And then this is the closet, which needs some renovation. I'm gonna see if I can find someone to like redo this closet because I hate these. I don't know if this is a Georgia thing, but I hate these. I want some shelves and some rods in here, and maybe a little dresser right here to put my things. So we're gonna see if someone can redo this room for me. But I don't even have that many clothes, so it's probably gonna be empty anyway. And finally, the last part of the house is the basement. The basement is my favorite room of the house just because I feel like that's where me and my people are spending the most time. And it's a pretty girthy basement, so it's a lot you can do down here. It's dark down here. Obviously, there's not any lighting yet, but I'm just going to tell you how the rooms are going to be set up. This room over here is going to be a small little theater room. I already bought some nice theater chairs, and I'm going to put a screen there to watch movies because she loves watching movies, and I like watching movies with her when I do have free time. And this is going to be the game room. Might put a pool table, some kid stuff over here. And this is going to be like the living room. I'm gonna put a big couch, a lot of seating area for when we have parties, which you guys know we have often. And a nice big old TV on that wall. Behind this is gonna be the kitchenette area. It's gonna be like a small kitchen pretty much, with cabinets and all that good stuff. And right behind you over here is going to be a bathroom, shower area, because there's going to be 2 more rooms down here. This is another bedroom. It's obviously going to connect to the bathroom. This is going to be a storage closet. There's going to be some shelves here, some more storage. Who doesn't love storage? And this is going to be another bedroom. So in total, upstairs, downstairs, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 guest rooms, Yoshi's room, my room, my office. I don't know how many that is. I don't feel like counting, but catch my drift. And the basement also leads to backyard again. Backyard again. So when I get the deck done upstairs, this will be a full deck down here as well when he's done. Right now it's just grass, just fine. But yeah, let me take you back to the door. Show everyone this dress she insisted on wearing today. She's been begging to wear this dress her cousin gave her for about 2 weeks now. She finally got to wear it today. You feel happy?
Yeah.
She has makeup on, so just did a photo shoot. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching my first empty house tour. I want to thank you guys for supporting me in this one, because who knows where I would be if you guys didn't support it. So thank you so much. This is a very special moment for me and her. And I hope you guys like the video. And we'll come back when we finish. And it looks nice. Right?
We didn't go upstairs.
We didn't go upstairs. You missed all of that because you were outside.
What? We had the best time. You guys missed it.
You probably did. We'll have more fun when they leave, okay? So follow me. I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, bye. Bye.
So today I had a lot going on. I went to a photo shoot, that's why I look all glam glittery. And TT and Mommy said I couldn't wear this big dress, but I just wear it anyway. Because I don't care about what you guys say, I come back like a boomerang. So yeah, as I said, I had a lot going on today. I had to get up, brush my teeth, wash my hair, get out. All I ate today was cereal, in the morning at least. And then I ate a lot more stuff like McDonald's, apples, chips. So I'm a little junkie. So that's my afternoon message. Bye!
Ellarie, she can do those messages by herself. I can tell her.